Hi, this is Jasmine Jacinto Sejo from ICT Gates, and here's my reaction. I can say watching this video is an eye-opener for me in a way that I was able to know that Facebook is not really a secured site in terms of data privacy. And yes, it is really fascinating to know how fast the growth of Facebook was. And it started in Harvard University, and now the whole world is using it. And from thousands of users to now billions. It is amazing how the evolution of Facebook was from just connecting with other people or your relatives from different places, and now it can be used to create a community, promote businesses, and now you can even earn because of the ads associated with Facebook. But aside from all the good sides of it, it is very alarming that this is it is getting out of our control, right? And people nowadays are using it as a weapon, like for example, their government spreading fake news and even easily create to attack dummy account to threaten politicians, celebrities, and even normal people. And knowing these things from this film makes me think that we are already being controlled by Facebook instead of us controlling it. And I hope that Facebook would soon be taking data privacy as a serious matter.